It's Saturday evening, and I guess like everybody else, it's supermarket time. So we are in this supermarket chain called Exito, and at the food court, some interesting things going on over there. It's been a long day, and so just time to refresh a little bit. This one is called street food pizza, and they're doing some calzones over there for us. Let's see how that turns out. And the menu has asado, different types, different prices. Oh, there is salmon a la parrilla. Wow, lomo a la parrilla, churrasco a la parrilla. Okay, three different options of asados. Interesting. Didn't see that before. And this is just a general look. La paneria is at the end, and behind there was the meat section. But yeah, that's pretty much. Oh, he's cooking over there. You see that fire? Very interesting. Okay. And of course there is the drink section. You can have your drinks with whatever you're buying to eat.